Now in this video, I'll be answering the question, is it too late to create a Redbubble account? I have 5 reasons against why it's not too late. So if you're ready for that, please drop a like on this video. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. Now, if this is the first time that you're coming across me, make sure that you're clicking on that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. That way you won't miss out on any of my future videos, as well as information that could help you make some extra money online. And for those who don't already know, down in the description, I have a free print on demand starter guide that features a lot of the information that I use to get my first few sales online through sites like Redbubble. However, if you are someone that's looking to make this more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. So check that out if you're looking to fast-track yourself to print on demand success. Is it too late to start on Redbubble? Personally, I think no, but I'm going to be showing you 5 reasons to support why I don't think it's too late, and some of these things will surprise you. Now, the first thing here is trends are never ending. Now, when I say this, I'm referring to the fact that if you create designs to trend when you're starting out, you will have a higher chance of getting sales. And the good thing about trends is that there are always trends. I mean, as far back as you can remember, you could probably think of trends that have been happening on the news. And since the beginning of social media, trends have pretty much become a stable thing. And as I don't see social media or the news ending anytime soon, you can only imagine that trends are something that are going to be long lasting. So if you're someone who's new to Redbubble, you can actually use that to your advantage and get sales. Now, when it comes to talking about trends, I always like to show you guys this little trick. I know a lot of you guys know about this, but most of the people that do come across my channel are new. So if you don't know how to find trends, if you literally type a letter in the Redbubble search bar, you'll be shown 3 options with this little squiggly arrow. Those options highlight things that are trending. You can go all the way from A to Z and things will pop up. And then once you've gone from A to Z, you can put, for example, if it was C, you could put CA, and then you could put CE, and you'll be shown things that are trending under those respective keywords. So if you didn't already know that, which I know most of you do, try it. The second reason I think obviously it's not too late to join Redbubble is the fact that there's untapped niches. And when I say untapped niches, there's niches with very, very low results that anyone can jump into. Just to show you some examples there, we have pain management nurse there that has 117 results. Wait, am I actually seeing correctly there? No, yeah, I'm seeing fine. It says 117 results. Compared to the hundreds of thousands of results in certain niches, this is something anyone can jump on. And then also we have things like Doctor and Proud, which could be a scalable niche where you add a job role and then you add and Proud afterwards. And there's 1,413 results, which is still fairly respectable compared to some of the other niches that are out there. And guys, if you don't believe me, I just want you to look and see what happens when I search Doctor. So jumping onto Redbubble, as you can see here, look how many results pop up. I need to zoom in so you guys can see this better. 195,217. It's crazy, and it gets better. Let's type in nurse real quick. If I type in nurse, let's see how many results pop up. 189,020 results. I know there's a lot of competition out there, but if you find untapped niches, you're pretty much good to go. Now, the third reason we have here is the fact that Redbubble is not something new, so it's not most likely to just disappear out of nowhere. It was founded in 2006, so 15 years ago. I mean, I didn't even know it existed that long ago. I only started using Redbubble in 2019, and I'm pretty sure if it's lasted this long, it can last a little bit longer. So if you're jumping onto the platform now, don't stress, don't worry too much. It's something that's been here, it's established. All you need to do is to create an account, post your designs onto it if you're not doing already. And if you make sure you're working smart, the results will come. The fourth reason is the fact that the platform continues to grow. Now, since 2006, a lot of things have been added to the site, especially products. Over the last few years, different things have been added in, but most recently, as of last year, 2020, they added in masks, obviously due to everything that was going on, after adding masks, they then went on to add on things like backpacks, aprons. They even added in puzzles. So the platform continues to grow. And what this means for the newbie or the new seller is the fact that you can then create designs for those new products as they don't have a lot of results. And if you can actually get some sales in, Redbubble will then push you to the top of that particular product search, as they'll probably continue to add new products into the future. This is something anyone can jump onto, especially if they're new. And it's just another main reason as to why it's not too late to create a Redbubble account and start now. And the fifth thing is the fact that there's now more tools to use now than there ever was when it comes to using sites like Redbubble. For example, you have Merch Informer, Vexels, Bubble Trends, Pod Connect. Bubble Trends is the free one there. You can literally jump onto Bubble Trends and it will show you the top trends off Redbubble. It will be in order of letters A to Z, showing the first 3 options for each letter. That's something you guys can go on right now and actually use to help you get ideas to create your designs. As for Merch Informer, you can get ideas through that. With Vexels, their subscription service that allows you to get designed images, design templates that you can use for your t-shirts, sticker packs, whatnot. And then Pod Connect pretty much allow you to automate your uploads. You just have to get information, put that onto a spreadsheet, and then it will automatically upload designs for you onto Redbubble as well as other platforms depending on what you have set on that. And yes, these are tools you can now use now that you weren't able to use in the past. Or if you're starting now, in a way, you might even have a slight advantage over people that had to consistently just manually upload their own designs in the past. And yeah, after pretty much going through all of those points, simply put, it is not too late to start Redbubble. And if you're someone who's on Redbubble and you're new and you're thinking, I'm never gonna get sales, it's never gonna work, there will always be a chance. Your time to shine will come. Like I said, Redbubble always adds new products, so keep a lookout for things like that, because if you can be one of the first people to create designs for new products. I actually did this with masks. When masks first came out, I was one of the first few people to create a certain type of mask design and put it up, and because of that, it's been ranking on the first page since. And this can also be you guys in the future as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please do drop a like, as that'll be very much appreciated. If you've made it to this point in the video, down in the comment section, comment down it's not too late, because it really isn't, guys, if you think about it. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.